Hey everyone, stop what you're doing, because this could be life-changing news for UK pensioners. The DWP has just confirmed a £2,500 bonus for those who qualify, and it could land straight in your bank account sooner than you think. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly who's eligible, how to claim it, and the fastest way to make sure you don't miss out, so stick around, because this is huge. If you're retired or know someone who is, this bonus is a big deal. The government is aware of the rising living costs and is providing this support to make sure pensioners have a bit of extra help. It's not a loan or something you have to pay back. This is a real, one-time bonus designed to ease financial pressure. And the best part, it's confirmed by the DWP, so there's no guessing, no scams, just clear, official information that you can act on right now. Now, let's talk about eligibility. Not everyone will automatically get this bonus, so it's important to know if you qualify. The main criteria include being on a state pension and, in some cases, also receiving certain benefits. The exact requirements are set by the DWP to make sure the money goes to the people who need it most. For example, pensioners who rely on additional support, like pension credit, may have a higher chance of qualifying. The key thing is that you must meet the eligibility conditions at the time the bonus is being distributed. Applying for this bonus is easier than you might think. The DWP has made it as simple as possible to ensure eligible pensioners can claim without stress. In most cases, you can apply online through the official government website, or you can do it over the phone, as that's more convenient. Make sure you have all your documents ready before applying. This includes your pension details, identification, and any paperwork that shows your current benefits. Having these documents handy can make the process smoother and faster, so you don't have to wait around. Timing is crucial here. The bonus is being rolled out soon, and eligible pensioners could see the money in their accounts in the coming weeks. That means it's important not to delay checking your eligibility or submitting your application. Missing deadlines could mean missing out on this one-time financial support, and I really don't want that to happen to anyone watching this video. This bonus is more than just money. It's a chance to give yourself some financial breathing room. $2,500 could cover several months of bills, groceries, or even help you make a small investment in your health and well-being. The DWP's goal is to make sure pensioners have a little extra security and peace of mind, and this bonus is one way they're doing that. Another thing to keep in mind is to stay updated with official government announcements. Sometimes policies and deadlines can change, so regularly checking trusted news sources and the DWP website can make sure you're always in the loop. And if you know friends or family members who are eligible, share this information with them. Many pensioners may not be aware that this bonus exists, and spreading the word can really make a difference in someone's life. Remember, this isn't just about money, it's about empowerment. Taking a few minutes to check eligibility and submit your application can bring a real positive change to your daily life. It's also a reminder that staying informed about benefits and government programs can have tangible, meaningful impacts. Don't leave this opportunity on the table when it's something you qualify for. If this video has helped you or provided clarity on the £2,500 DWP bonus, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss important updates about UK pensions, benefits, and financial tips that can make a real difference. And most importantly, share this video with friends or family who might benefit from this information. A small action from you could mean a big change in someone else's life. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more updates that actually matter to you. Stay informed, stay prepared, and most importantly, claim what you deserve.